Hello, my name is Boris and you are on a Boris Russian food channel. And today we're going to cook a traditional Russian dessert called chocolate sausage. So what do they need for this? We need cookies, butter, some milk, cacao powder and some sugar. First of all, we need to mix sugar, milk, cacao powder and butter. Put the pot on the stove with medium flame. While the butter is melting, we need to put cookies on a plastic bag and crush it into crumbs. Put the crushed crumbs into the bowl. It should look like this. And now, when this mix is ready, put it in the cookies. Then we need to mix it. And now we are ready to wrap it. Take the cling film and now you should put the maize to the cling film in the shape of the sausage. And so what we have when we wrapped it? Put it in the freezer for 2 hours and that's it. So let's check what do we have here.
Посмотри. Посмотри просто на это.
Incredible. Follow, subscribe and write comments if you tried. See you.